Sorry.
Not now.
Sneak it in. Okay, then if you don't, I'll call you chicken for the rest of your life. Okay, I'll call you chicken cat. Yo, guys, come on. That was kind of a bad burn.
Yeah.
We're sneaking into the ballet room. Let's go.
Sneaking into the ballet. So we're gonna sneak into the ballet. So we're gonna sneak into the ballet room. Nobody's known. And this is actually Green Box. So yeah, let's go. They're over there just playing basketball.
Nobody's in there, right?
Nope. Others! Others! Others!
Whoa, you can't see my face. I shall not show my face on YouTube. Oh, crap. You didn't see my face. Screw it, you're gonna see my face on YouTube. Yay! I had a bad hairdo. I woke up and I just realized in the shadow when I was walking in, my hair got really messed up. So yeah. Alright, I don't have anything to put it down, and I kind of look a gay thing. I have one oversized foot. I couldn't have enough time, so I just grabbed the football. We have the same of them. Freaking. We can make a video when we're partying at my house. Hey. So what are we gonna do in here? Just nothing. Nothing. Just chilling.
This is your first time sneaking in.
What are you doing?
I'm balancing.
You're like.
Balance master.
Whoa, guys, this is like a trampoline.
There's a trampoline.
I ain't gonna jump on that.
Don't get on that. Don't get on that.
No, dude, get off of that. Get up, you're gonna get in trouble.
And the teachers can't come in here because they can't leave the children alone. So.
What you got? What was that noise? Who's coming?
All right, your mom's out here, Finn.
Oh, yay!
Ready to go.